What is data mining? Data mining is the process of analyzing large amounts of data to find patterns, trends, and useful insights. Think of it as digging through a treasure chest of data to find hidden gems that can help in decision-making. Example: imagine a supermarket wants to know which products are often brought together. By analyzing sales data, they find that people often buy bread and butter together. Using this insight, they place these items next to each other to increase sales. Applications: retail, predict customer preferences to offer personalized discounts. Healthcare, detect patterns in patient symptoms to diagnose diseases early. Finance, identify fraudulent credit card transactions. Marketing, suggest products based on user behavior, like Amazon's recommendations. Education, analyze student performance to create personalized learning plans.